one AI tool take one product idea and turn it into both a presentation and a promotional video. I wanted to test that for myself, so I opened Runable and gave it one simple project. My product is called Sleep Pod, and it's a small bedside device that is designed to help people create a calmer nighttime routine with gentle sound and a sunrise style alarm. The interesting part is that I'm not going to use a separate presentation tool and then another video generator. I'm going to give the project to one AI agent and then see what it can actually do. Runable is designed to handle different types of work, from natural language instructions. You can create slides, videos, websites, images, reports, spreadsheets, and more, all from the same workspace. So let's start with the presentation. I'm asking Runable to create a 7-slide product presentation for SleepPod. I'm giving it the product, the target audience, the main problem, the key features, and what I want the presentation to cover. I also want the deck to include the problem, the product concept, key features, target customers, use cases, launch message, and a final summary. And this is one thing I wanted to test carefully. Instead of immediately generating the presentation, Runable asks questions first. It wants to understand things, who to perform presentation, and then what kind of tone I want. This is actually useful because the same product presentations could look completely different if I was presenting it to customers, investors, or a potential business partner. Now I'm going to answer the questions and let Runable create a deck. Now it has the plan, and I'm going to let it build a presentation. And then here is the final result. The first things I'm looking is not whether every slide is perfect. I want to know if the AI understood the product, if the story makes sense, and if the presentation actually feels like one complete product instead of 7 random AI generated slides. This is one thing I want to change. For example, if one slide feels too promotional, I can simply tell Runable to make that slide more natural and informative instead of rebuilding the entire presentation from scratch. The presentation isn't just a static result. I can continue working with the same project and then ask the AI to change the output. The deck can also be exported in formats like PDF or PowerPoint, so this could be used as a starting point for a real product presentation. But I also want to test something completely different, the video, because creating a presentation is one thing, creating something that actually looks like promotional content is another thing. So I'm staying inside the same SleepPod project and asking Runable to create a short vertical promotional video. My prompt is simple. Create a short vertical product teaser for SleepPod. Show a calm nighttime bedroom, the SleepPod device beside the bed, gentle ambient lighting, and a peaceful transition from night to morning. Keep the movement slow, premium, and minimal. Make it feel suitable for Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. Now let's go and see what it generates. And this is the first version. For this test, I'm paying attention to a few things. Does the product actually look consistent? Does the movement feel natural? And does the video communicate what SleepPod is? And most importantly, does it feel like something I could actually use in a promotional video? Now I'm going to push it one more time. I'm going to make one specific revision instead of changing everything. For example, make the camera movement slower, reduce the dynamic lighting, and make the products feel more premium and realistic. Let's see how much that changes the result. First, Runable helped me structure the product into a presentation. Then I used the same project to create promotional video content. I don't have to open separate presentation tool, explain SleepPod again, and then move everything into another AI video generator. That doesn't mean every result is automatically ready to publish. You still need to check the wording, product claims, visuals, and especially AI generated media before using it professionally. But for turning one idea into different types of content, this is a pretty interesting workflow. And if you want to try it yourself, I will leave the link in the description. Thank you for watching AI Community, and I'll see you in the next one.